Hi, good morning. My name is Naveen Misra. I am from Elegant Info Solution, New Delhi. We are a Delhi-based company and we conduct corporate training program in Pan India. I conduct various type of corporate training programs. My expertise area is we deliver training on especially MS Office. So we conduct MS Excel training program, advanced MS Excel training program, WPS software training programs, uh, MS project training programs, and such kind of training programs we are doing last 17 years. And as of now, I deliver more than 3,000 training programs in Pan India. And not only India, we deliver a lot of training program in outside India also, sometime in Bangladesh, sometime in Sri Lanka, Bhutan, and Saudi Arabia areas. So friends, today I want to quick discuss about what is the basic difference between WPS and MS Excel. As you know, MS Excel is a very powerful software. It's the most popular spreadsheet software. And see, as of now, a lot of companies in India using MS Excel. The other software is WPS. WPS is basically developed by the company called Kingsoft. It's a Chinese company, and but this software is also very powerful. This software is similar to MS Office software. This software is similar to the MS Excel. The tabs, ribbons, and the layout, everything is, I think, completely matched. Okay, but yeah, lot of features are not available in the WPS, like uh, like few features like macros features. So in the next session, I will differentiate about uh, what features are available in MS Excel and what features are not available in WPS, and how, and what are the basic difference between the WPS and MS Excel. I really appreciate and really thanks to developer and the development team of Kingsoft, who has developed very nice software. It's a really very good software, and I'm using your software last 5 years, and in regular basis I deliver your training program in I've delivered this your training program in few companies like Sleep Bell. We have delivered your this training program in few automobile companies, few pharmaceutical companies in India. I think 2 3 week back we discussed your marketing team, and we know you want to spread your software in pan India, and we will help you to spread your software, because we know what are the requirement of the company, why company going for MS Excel, and how so the next session I will discuss about how how we can improve WPS. Okay, so thank you so much. So in the left hand side of screen, there we have this is my WPS. In the right hand side, this screen is MS Excel. So I want to show you the first difference between WPS and MS Excel. See here, first I want to show you this functionality in MS Excel. See, I want to create series. So what we can do, we can go to the home, and then we can click on the fill, and we can click on the series. So this is our series dialog box. In series dialog box, we can click on the column, and you can notice one thing. This dialog box, this dialog box read the cell value automatically, because this is a date type. Okay. Now we can click on the weekday, and step value is one and a stop value. So we can go to the stop value and we can type 2019, and then I will click on the OK button. So I got this date. Okay. Now I want to show you the same thing in
WPS. So in WPS, this functionality is also available. This functionality is available here. We can select the cell. We can go to the rows and columns. In rows and columns, we can click on fill and then series. So in series dialog box, you can notice one thing. In WPS, you can notice one thing. WPS by default, the type is linear, right? It means this series dialog box does not read the type of data. But in Excel series dialog box automatically read this data because this is a date type. Okay, this is the basic difference, first difference between the WPS and MS Excel. So here we have to click on the date and then we can click on the weekday, and here I can type 31st 12 2019 and I can click on the column and I'll click on the OK. So now we are able to create the series dialog box. This is my first basic difference between the Excel and WPS. Now I want to show you another difference, friends. So see, I'm working on again. I'm come back on the Excel part. In Excel, let me open one file. So this is my criteria and I want to apply advanced filter. So what we can do, we can go to the data and we can click on the advanced. Under advanced, we can click on the copy to another location. Here we have three options. List range. So in list range, I want to copy data from the employee sheet. So I'll go here and then select all. Then I'll click on the criteria range. Now I'll click on the criteria range. So I click here and you can notice one thing. I will click on the criteria range and now I shifted in the base sheet. Now I shifted on the advanced filter sheet. So in advanced filter sheet, we can select this one. Now I will click on the copy to here and then click on the OK. Very smooth. Now I'm coming back on the WPS part. So in WPS, see same criteria. Now I want to again copy data from other worksheets. I'll go to the data. Then I'll click on the in data. I'll click on advanced. So this is the advanced filter, right? In WPS. In advanced filter, this is my dialog box. I'll click on the copy to and I said delete this one. So I'll click on the list range and data is coming again from the employee sheet. So I'll click here, then I place my cursor here and then I press Control A. So look, so I want to select my seat. I want to select my seat, but I'm not able to select data in WPS. But in Excel, we can easily select the data. This is the big difference between the WPS and Excel. So in WPS, I have to select properly like this, right? And then I click on the criteria. See, I click on the criteria and now I'm not coming back on the advanced filter sheet, but this happened in the MS Excel. So I want to highlight and emphasize WPS developer, please look at this and fix this error, right? So I'll go here and I can select this here and then I click on this and finally I'll click on the OK button, right? So I did not get the data. Why? Because the experience is not available. So that's different thing. That's different thing, right? Because here we don't have uh, uh, date. Okay. Now, now next difference. What is the next difference? Mm, I'll click on the spreadsheet and in the spreadsheet, I will click on the option. In option, see, developer tab is not available. Okay. I want to create a macros, but this option is not available here, right? I'm not able to add the developer tab. Look at the Excel part, please. In Excel, we can easily create tabs. And so in Excel, you can notice when this is Excel. In Excel, we have developer tab. We can easily create, record a macro with help of developer tab. We can use Visual Basic. We can use macros. So this feature is available in MS Excel. So this functionality I want to develop in WPS, right? And similarly, lot of other features are also available. In uh, Excel, which is not available in the WPS. Thank you so much for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.